Behind the scenes of the internet, there's a hidden world, a place beyond the reach of regular search engines, often shrouded in mystery. This is the dark web, and today, I'll uncover exactly how it works. From anonymity to encrypted networks, you'll understand the mechanics of the dark web and why it's so difficult to track. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the structure of the internet itself. It's a massive place, divided into 3 distinct layers. Surface web. This is the part we all know. Websites you access daily through Google, Yahoo, and other search engines. It's everything that's public and indexed. Deep web. This includes all the content that search engines can't access, like private databases, personal emails, and password-protected websites. The deep web isn't inherently illegal, but it's not easily searchable. Dark web. This is the hidden layer of the internet, a small portion of the deep web, accessible only using specific tools and technologies designed to protect user anonymity. So, how do you access the dark web? Unlike regular websites, you can't simply type an address into a browser. You need special software, the most common being Tor. Tor, short for the onion router, works by routing your internet traffic through multiple layers of encryption. The term onion routing refers to these multiple layers that protect your identity while you browse. Here's how it works. When you connect to the dark web using Tor, your data is routed through a series of randomly selected relays or nodes scattered across the globe. This makes it extremely difficult to trace your origin, ensuring a high degree of anonymity. Once you're using Tor, you can access websites with a special type of domain, the .onion domain. This domain isn't recognized by traditional search engines like Google or Bing. It can only be accessed using Tor. These .onion sites are designed to be anonymous, hiding both the website's location and the identity of its operator. The addresses of these sites are often long strings of random letters and numbers to further protect the site's owner. Encryption is the key technology that makes the dark web functional and, for some, safe. When you send data through the Tor network, it's encrypted at multiple layers. As your data passes through different Tor nodes, each node only knows the data's previous and next destination, but not its origin or final endpoint. This creates a high degree of anonymity for both the user and the website they're visiting. Many dark websites are known as hidden services. These are websites specifically set up to operate within the anonymous environment of Tor. These sites can range from marketplaces, forums, and social media platforms to whistleblowing sites and journalistic outlets. While the dark web is often associated with illegal activities, it's important to understand it also serves other purposes. It can be a haven for whistleblowers, journalists in repressive regimes, and anyone seeking to communicate privately. However, it's undeniable that illegal marketplaces and forums also exist there. Accessing the dark web comes with risks. It's a place where you might encounter illegal content, malware, scams, and even law enforcement surveillance. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and take precautions. Using a VPN in conjunction with Tor can add an extra layer of security. Be extremely cautious about what you download and never share personal information. Remember, anonymity isn't absolute, and skilled adversaries may still be able to trace your activity. So, that's a basic overview of how the dark web works. It's a complex and often misunderstood part of the internet, with both legitimate uses and potential dangers. While it offers anonymity and access to information, it's crucial to be aware of the risks involved. Remember, accessing the dark web should be done with caution and at your own discretion. What are your thoughts on the dark web? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tech Explainer videos. Thanks for watching.